Well, it looks like I failed y'all. I'm not sure how I did it, but after sharing over 140 recipes, for whatever reason, I have failed to share one of the main things that I grew up on, potato patties. Using leftover mashed potatoes, I have a recipe in my profile. For every cup of mashed potatoes, you mix 1 egg and 1/4 cup of flour. Over medium heat, heat up some baking grease. Here comes the don't do this at home warning. Once they're good and brown, flip, but don't use your hand like I do. A trick to get your potatoes nice and flat without sticking to your spatula is to slide the spatula underneath one of the patties to get the spatula nice and hot, then flatten it out. And here's the correct way to flip a patty. Use 2 spatulas. Did you have these growing up? They were one of my favorites. And of course, serve them with ketchup. And voila!